If you're waking up every morning thinking, what should I post today? That's not content creation. That's chaos. And chaos does not convert. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple weekly sales flow that turns your content into clients without posting 24/7. Stay until the end because I'm going to give you the weekly rhythm that I use to turn content into income consistently. Hi, my name is Michelle Spark, retired Army veteran, and I help women build profitable online businesses by turning their knowledge into monetized communities and digital offers without the hustle culture. If you're tired of random posting and inconsistent sales, this one is for you. So random content creates random income. So when you post tips one day, disappear for 3, drop a sales post out of nowhere, then ghost again, you're training your audience to just keep scrolling. Instead, you need structure because structure builds trust, anticipation, authority, and then, of course, sales. Consistency doesn't mean posting more. It means posting with direction, intention. So here's the rhythm. Monday, make it a validation post. Make them feel seen. No teaching, no selling, just empathy. If you've been struggling with building an online business, if you've been struggling with losing that 20 pounds, it actually makes sense, okay? This builds psychological safety. They start to feel like you understand them, you see them. Then Tuesday, or we'll go with Wednesday. We'll skip a day. So Wednesday, do a story. Share your journey. I used to think losing 20 pounds meant I had to give up all my favorite foods until I realized blank. I used to think making money online was hard until I realized you could do it inside of a community. This is going to build belief. They start thinking, well, if she did it, maybe I can too. They need to feel like you understand them. And if they can relate to you, they can certainly do the thing that you're doing now, right? And then Friday, maybe it's a hype post and an invite, right? This is momentum. This is your sign if you've been waiting to build that online community. This is your sign if you've been waiting to lose that stubborn 20 pounds of belly fat. Now you invite one call to action, one action, one next step. This is where income happens. This weekly rhythm turns your content into a conveyor belt instead of a guessing game, all right? So how does this become a sales engine? Well, here's the bigger flow. You got the validation, you got the story, and you got the hype. This is going to lead to community, event, offer. So when you repeat this weekly, something just shifts. Your audience starts trusting you faster. They start feeling emotionally connected to you. They know when to expect the offers. Like every Friday, she's going to make an offer. Every Friday, she's got an invite. She's got something new, something different, right? And it stops being a surprise promotion. And when selling feels normal, it definitely converts better. So that's how you stop launching and start leading, all right? So if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I need structure, then you need to be inside of my free community, Online Profit Mastery. That's where I teach you how to build your weekly sales flow, grow your own community, and then turn engagement into actual income. No random posting, no burnout, no confusion. Click the link below in the description and join us today. We're building businesses that feel stable, not stressful. And if you want to go a little deeper and turn your community into actual money, well, watch this one next. How to make your first $1,000 online with a small audience. Because structure and monetization together, that's when things start to click. I'll see you in that video or inside of Online Profit Mastery. Let's build this smart. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.